Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I would like to show you the correct pronunciation of some letters in English that seem a bit challenging to pronounce. All right. Most of the letters are quite easy for for particularly for the Bangladeshi to pronounce, you know, but there are a few that seem a bit challenging. So let's see how to work on them and how to pronounce them correctly. Let's get started with the first letter, which is A. Quite easy. There's nothing hard with it. What about an example of A? That's going to be apple. All right. Ant. Easy. Ba. A. B. Ba. 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 Broad. Brave. Better. Easy. Book. A. B. C. All right. That's also quite easy. But when it's going to be car, it's going to be a bit challenging. It's not challenging, but it's a matter of not giving full attention while we are pronouncing letter letter C. All right, C-A-T. That's going to be cat or cat. That's going to be cat. Coach. You are my coach. Uh, then I can or I can. No, can I do that? Can I? Can I? Not can I? All right. Can I do that? Can I? Could you please? Could you? Push a little behind the sound k. All right. The next letter D. Quite easy. All right. Dark. Date. Dutch. All right. Don't at. Don't do this. E. Egg. Oh, quite easy. E. A flower. Fool. You're a fool. Fainted. Flower. Okay. Easy. Fountain. G. Next one is G. All right. You have to be tough. You have to be hurt when you are pronouncing the letter G. Germany. Germany. Danger. 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 All right. J, 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 J. Okay. F-G-H. Ha. H. Hop. I hope that. Hip hop. Hop hop. Quite easy. H-I. That's also easy. I. There's nothing hard. Ink. All right. H-I-J. Jock. Jock. Jet. All right. Jet. Easy. J. J-K. All right. Another one uh like the sound of C. K. Kitchen. K. Kitchen. Kitty. Kitty. Kitchen. And what? Kite. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. J-K. Try to pronounce them like this. Try to practice. Okay. J-K-L. Letter. Late. Long. Okay. Lamb. Lungs. Something like that. So that's also easy. JKLM. Easy. Mango. Man. N. Nasty. Nose. 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 O. O. Open. Open the door. That's going to be O. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Not open the door. That's not going to be open the door. That's going to be open the door. Open. Okay. Then what? OP. Okay, that's one of the challenging one. P. Proper. Paper. Page. Packet. Pampering. Pa, 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 pa. The sound is going to be pa. Okay? Pa, pa, pa. Not pa. Some even says like proper. That's not going to be proper. That's going to be proper. All right. And even the worst version of the pronunciation of P is sometimes by others. They say like, frofer. Oh my God. That's going to be, huge crime to pronounce P as F. All right. Never say perform. Oh my goodness. That's going to be perform. Perform. All right. Pop, pop, pop. So be very careful with P. PQ. PQ. Quiet. Quiet, boys. Quiet. Quiet. All right. Q. R. Ready. It's raining. It's raining. Okay. Rain. It's raining. raining, rent, rented house. Okay, running, I'm running on the road. I'm running, running. Okay, what about QRS? Sky. That's not going to be as sky. That's going to be sky. The blue as sky or sky. The blue sky. The blue sky. He's smart. That's not going to be he is as smart. Never ever. Okay. That's going to be smart. Okay. And what else? What else? What else? Uh, yeah, smart. So be very careful when you are pronouncing as, in this particular, situation. Like not as smart. That's going to be smart. Not uh, as snake. That's going to be snake. That's not going to be as sky. Rather, it's going to be sky. All right. MNOPQRS. Teacher. Oh, my teacher. Teacher told me to take the test. Okay. T, t, t. Oh, t, t, t. Nice sound. Okay. Teacher. Try to pronounce the letter T like this. That's going to be teacher. Oh, teacher. That's not actually teacher. That's teacher. 10. 10 taka. Could you please give me 10 taka? 10. All right. 10. And then TOMNOPQRSTU, umbrella, umbrella, up, down, up, down. Okay. QRSTUV. That's a P. That's V. Very good. You are a very good student. You are a very good student. Good student. Very. Va 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 va. Van. No, that's not pen. You are a very good student. That's not going to be the correct way to say. That's going to be very, not very. You are very good. Okay. Now, the correct one is very, van. Okay. Bravo, not bravo. Okay. So be very careful. VMNOPQRSTUV W. That's wow. Wow. Window. Easy. YZ. That's not jet. Some students say like jet. That's not jet. That's Z. And another version of saying pronouncing. I mean, saying this letter as Z. There are two versions, Z and Z. All right. Zipper, zipper, zipper. Zipper, zipper. I don't have zipper here, so that's not jeeper. That's a zipper. Okay. So among these letters, we found a bit challenging. Like first one was C, K, uh, P, G, P, G, C, K, K. Then what else? R, S. When it is a smart, that's not as smart. That's smart. And then T and V. So if we are able to take care of these letters, our pronunciation is going to be comfortable to hear. Okay, everyone will like when we would talk to them through English language. Try to practice. Assalamu alaikum.